Welcome to today's adventure, the American West in Portraits. This is day 3 of our trip from the Olympic Peninsula in Washington State clear down to Death Valley in Southern California. We are at Lake Tahoe for tonight because the east entrance to Yosemite is not open yet. So we're up for an early start out of Lake Tahoe this morning, heading through the Sierras and coming up on Mammoth Lakes on the east side of the Sierras, the edge of the Great Valley. Visited some of the lakes. This is Convict Lake, particularly beautiful. People are actually skiing on the backside of that mountain right now. From Convict Lake, we went just down the road and across the street to Hot Creek. This is a unique area geologically. It is a stream that starts with a fish hatchery. The stream goes on down a couple miles, and then you come across these hot springs, geothermal hazards. These are not hot springs that you would go soak in. These are hot springs that would melt the flesh off of your bones if you got in them, but they're still very beautiful, and the area is very photogenic. So I got some great pictures for my portfolio. Highly encourage this little stop. It's nice. As I said, for portfolio pictures, there's just this is one of the rocks on the road down to the creek. Just really magnificent desert photography opportunities. Hot Creek in the Inyo National Forest, actually in the Mammoth Lakes area. Our next stop was the Trona Pinnacles. Now, this is another geological feature that's quite spectacular. This is the view that we had of the pinnacles. In order to get up to them, you need to have a four-wheel drive vehicle with special permits, high clearance, and that sort of thing. And then you can get to them. We did not have those. So we just took pictures of the Mojave Desert north of Death Valley. Really spectacular geological formations and subject matter to take pictures of, so enjoy them. From the Pinnacles, we headed back up along the edge of the Sierras and eventually found our way to Panamint Springs in Death Valley National Parks. Panamint Springs is where we stayed the night. Got some great sunset pictures of the canyons heading down the mountain. And this is the view from our campsite. We are now in Death Valley National Park. It's a huge park. Plenty of things to do there if you've got a few days. Just beautiful hills, beautiful desert. If you get there a little earlier in the year, like March, like we did last year, there's a lot of beautiful wildflowers. Or if there had been a rain, maybe we would have got some. There's also sand dunes. Beautiful, beautiful places to take your camera. Really spectacular portraits. So that's it for our National Parks Desert portraits. The next days were spent at Ridgecrest with our family and just kind of toured around the 94-degree heat in early April at Ridgecrest. A lot of beauty even in the desert towns. It was really nice to find the fountain while we were on our scooters. So until next time, I'm Bryan Diehl. Thanks for watching, everybody.